Hey, how's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you another easy way to make money online with this really simple 3-step strategy that's available all over the world, that's guaranteed to be 100% beginner friendly and completely free to start. If you're excited to learn about it, then let me tell you first that this is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. If you want to achieve financial freedom, if you want to grow the number of income streams that you currently have, if you just want to monetize your free time, well, you've come to the right place because these are exactly the kinds of things that we talk about day in and day out on this very channel. Do join our community by hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons down below because we do post several videos a week, and trust me when I say you wouldn't want to miss out on a single one. And with that said, let's go make some money! Alright, so first off, let's head on over to the main platform that allows you to earn through affiliate marketing. But its main difference from other affiliate programs out there is that instead of needing its affiliate partners to get people to take out their credit cards and purchase products from them, it only requires affiliates to get people to do simple actions, such as maybe entering their email address or filling out surveys or forms, hence its name, where CPA stands for cost per action. So on this platform, affiliates can simply sign up for free and begin earning money by sending traffic and then getting this traffic to complete a variety of actions or tasks. Simply put, it always starts off with the affiliate partner promoting the link somewhere, say a website or on social media, and when his or her audience sees that link, clicks on it and takes action, the affiliate makes money. Offers a wide variety of payment options, including our favorite PayPal, but also Payoneer and wire transfer. And when you cross their minimum threshold of $50, you'll start to get paid every 30 days. Alright, so let's start with step number 1, and that would be to create a free account so you can get your affiliate link and other tools that you can use to begin earning. So why not we go ahead and do that together right now? Over here on the registration page, you'll need to enter in all of the usual information as you would when you sign up to any other platform. But when you see that it says publisher type over here, I want you to choose email. After that, just enter your email address and password, select your time zone, tick on the box that says you've read their terms of service, and you'll be good to go. So after you've done that, you can sign up to your account and visit the My Offers tab, which you'll now be able to access by clicking on the Offers tab right over here on the left. Now under Country, I want you to select United States and hit Enter. As you can see, you'll instantly be able to access all of the different offers that are available on this platform. There are a ton of them, and as you can see, the payout per offer isn't all that exciting. It ranges from just a few cents to a couple of dollars. And while it's definitely not very impressive individually, please stick with me and don't discount this strategy just yet because I'll be teaching you a way to rack up on cash so that it adds up to a more significant count. And don't forget that this is CPA affiliate marketing and you won't need to do much convincing to get people to actually complete actions that you need in order to earn money. Take a look at this simple offer. Users will get a chance to win $1,000 worth of cash paid out in PayPal simply by submitting an email address and zip code. At the same time, affiliates get $257 for getting someone to do that, which is actually a pretty sweet deal considering how easy the task is. I mean, isn't it a no-brainer to just enter your email address in exchange for a chance at $1,000? So go ahead and choose which offers you want to promote from here. The ones that offer great prizes like this one in exchange for an email address definitely has a lower barrier to entry than others and would be easiest to get signups for. But do feel free to try your luck on other offers as well. Once you've selected an offer that you'd like to work with, it's now time for step 2, and this is actually a bot that will be doing all of the work for you. It's a website called Writesonic.com, and over here, I want you to click on Start Writing for free, and you'll also be able to sign up for free. It's essentially an all-in-one AI creative platform. It can do Facebook ad copies for you, product descriptions, Google Ads, emails, you name it. But for the specific strategy that we'll be talking about today, we'll need Writesonic to work on emails for us. So you can go ahead and click on that, and this should appear on your screen. Basically, you just have to fill the points section in with something that's related to your offer. Something that will appeal to the people who receive the message so that they actually open it and click on it. For example, you can say something like $1,000 PayPal giveaway. And then we can add another point here and place submit your email address to join for free. You can play around with these. You don't have to copy my points exactly. Just make sure you choose relevant topics and keywords that will appeal to the audience. Now, as soon as you're satisfied with the points, click on Generate Email, and the bot should automatically customize a collection of emails that you can choose from and use straight away. Now, don't worry, I know what you're thinking, but you don't actually need your own email list or even a following or subscribers, because for step 3, we'll be using another platform called Hercules Plus, and it will allow you to advertise to thousands of people for free. So I want you to go ahead and create an account by clicking on this button over here. It's just the usual details, but you'll need to submit 2 email addresses if you have them, which I also recommend. If you only have one, then I suggest that you quickly create a new one and use that under your subscribe email and then another email address under your main email. As soon as you successfully subscribe to Hercules Plus, you'll then be able to send 1 email a day to 1,000 email addresses, all of whom are 100% real traffic. Now, because our affiliate link offers $1,000 in free PayPal money in exchange for an email address, there should be no one specific group of people that we need to target. It can actually work for different genders, different age group, people with different interests, and it's precisely because it's so general in nature that it should work well on this platform. On the contrary, if you were to promote an offer such as a weight loss supplement, then it might not be the best fit for Hercules Plus because it would then require you to be speaking to a specific market, whereas this is a shoot anywhere approach that would work best with other similar offers to the ones that we're talking about. The main website, cpagrip.com. So alright, let's do a quick demo for this. Enter the email that Writesonic created for you, making sure that your affiliate link is included, and hit send email. And that's it, guys. Send this to 1,000 people each day and you get $257 for each person who clicks on the link and enters his email address. I hope this video got you excited, got your creative juices flowing, and opened your eyes to the potential and opportunity before you. Now go on and take that first step and just start working your way toward financial freedom today. And hey, if you haven't already, then please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell below because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends and your family. I would love to be able to help all of them out as well. And as our community continues to grow, it's also gotten more and more engaged. And I just want to thank you guys and let you know that I really do appreciate all of you. And I read each and every one of the comments that you leave me here. Alrighty guys, thank you again so much for watching. And I'll see you again on the next video.